Before we start our video, I would like to thank Electric Fanatic for reminding me of the National Periodic Test. Without him, I would pretty much be forgetting the whole thing. Also, if you don't think I do EAS catches, you're dead wrong. I did one for the required weekly test on my first video. So, yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. But without further ado, enjoy the video and please subscribe.
In this presidential campaign, and I am told he is.
Oh yeah!
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.